Hi, this is Shay with Truxas Sales here today looking at this 2014 Peterbilt 579 4-axle dump truck with the 2019 Boulder Lane dump body from Hall Lane Manufacturing. Definitely a nice bed here. Got the giant def tank on there, steel hydraulic tank, steerable lift axle, all aluminum rims on this one, and we have the hitch plate ready in the future. Just bolt on a tow hitch right on there. Truck can also be pushed from that. This has the heavy duty apron with the round pipe there, as you can see on the back. We got the high lift tailgate system, one of the best high lift tailgate systems in the industry here. Just super strong and no maintenance, no grease points, nothing. I've got the made in USA air cylinders on there. Got the single fuel tank here on the passenger side, lifted up. As you can see, we set that fuel tank about 3 inches higher there, so that's kind of the low spot on the truck. We got the upgraded front suspension on this with the Yokohama 315 tires. So you can see it's a little more lifted in the front than normal with that extra tapered leaf spring on there. And this one we did a sleeper removal and we left the little side fairings on, as you can see, but nice clean sleeper removal job. Got the window there in the back, aluminum panel riveted on. And we got our standard mechanical control package on this one. And there you can see the vinyl that we did to match the interior. Definitely a nice job. And we got the PTO on the dash on this one with the bed up indicator light and the PTO light right there. This is Shay with Truxas Sales. Thank you for viewing. Please visit our website at www.truxassales for more information. Thank you.